Hello everyone, my name is Mark Sora. I'm Circutor's product manager. Today, I'm here to talk about how to install a power analyzer without turning off the power. As you know, there are many kinds of installation in different shapes and sizes, but they can all be grouped in three types. First of all, new installation built from scratch, like new buildings or industrial settings. Secondly, are existing installation in which the power can be turned off without affecting production because the stop can be programmed at a specific time of the day without any problem. And finally, we have those facilities where the power cannot be interrupted, such is the case of factories with 24/7 production, where any kind of interruption means large economic losses that cannot be justified, or factories where the times between stopping and starting some machines would stop production for a long time, again, making it economically unviable. For these situations, Circutor offers its Rogowski clamps, which are these red probes. As you can see, they are really easy to install since they can be opened and placed in narrow spaces thanks to their flexibility. This way, you can measure the current in these installations where it is not possible to shut off the power supply. To measure using these Rogowski clamps, we offer two types of analyzer, depending on whether it is needed for a panel or the rail. The device for taking measures in panels is the CBM C10, which, as you can see, is 96/96 and provides basic information such as voltage, current, power, and energy, but also more complete information such as harmonics and THZ. This device has also digital inputs and outputs for setting alarms. Of course, this device features RS-485 communications to send information to Power Studio. If the device is for using a DIN rail, we have the CBM E3 Mini, which offers the same electrical variables as the CBM C10, with inputs and outputs for setting alarms and with the RS-485 communication. But talking about the communications, on the CBM E3 Mini, let me take this opportunity to tell you that we have the CBM E3 Mini WEF, which features Ethernet and Wi-Fi communication, so you don't have to wire the device to the router. This model also lets you set up the communications via MyConfig app, which you can download for free from the Play Store. So if you have to install an energy management system in an installation where you can shut up the power, these options I just mentioned are the best choice. Remember, we are going to continue uploading new videos, so subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date. Thank you very much for your attention.